वक्रतुण्डमहाकाय सूर्यकोटिसमप्रभ निर्विघ्नं कुरु मे देव सर्वकार्येषु सर्वदा। सरस्वति नमस्तुभ्यं वरदे कामरूपिणि विद्यारम्भं करिष्यामि सिद्धिर्भवतु मे सदा। साक्षात्कृतं दयानन्दं परमार्थस्वरूपिणं तत्त्वज्ञानप्रशास्तारं प्रणतोऽस्मि परं पदम्। वागर्थाविव सम्पृक्तौ वागर्थप्रतिपत्तये जगतः पितरौ वन्दे पार्वती परमेश्वरौ। येनाक्षरसमाम्नायम् अधिगम्य महेश्वरात् कृत्स्नं व्याकरणं प्रोक्तं तस्मै पाणिनये नमः। वाक्यकारं वररुचिं भाष्यकारं पतञ्जलिं पाणिनिं सूत्रकारं च प्रणतोऽस्मि मुनित्रयम्। ॐ सहना भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यङ्करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ॐ शान्तिः शान्तिः शान्तिः। अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अल्पाक्षरम् असन्दिग्धं सारवद्विश्वतोमुखम्
अस्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
स्तोभम् अनवद्यं च सूत्रं सूत्रविदो विदुः।
उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
उक्तानुक्तदुरुक्तानां चिन्ता यत्र प्रवर्तते
तं ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्राहुः वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः।
तं ग्रन्थं वार्तिकं प्राहुः वार्तिकज्ञामनीषिणः।
प्रत्ययाशिवसूत्राणि आदेशागमस्तथा
प्रत्ययाः शिवसूत्राणि आदेशागमस्तथा
धातुपाठो गणपाठ उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः।
धातुपाठो गणपाठ उपदेशाः प्रकीर्तिताः।
अथ तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः।
तृतीयोऽध्यायः प्रथमः पादः।
प्रत्ययः
प्रत्ययः
परश्च
परश्च
आद्युदातश्च
आद्युदात्तश्च
अनुदातौ सुप्पितौ
अनुदातौ सुप्तौ
गुप्तिष्किद्भ्यः सन्
गुप्तिचिकिद्भिः सन्
मान् बदधांशान्भ्यो दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
मान् भददां शान्भ्यो दीर्घश्चाभ्यासस्य
धातो कर्मणः समानकर्तृकादिच्छायां वा
धातोर्कर्मणः समानकर्तृकादिच्छायां वा
सुप आत्मनक्यच
आत्मनः क्यच
काम्यच्च
काम्यच्च
उपमानादाचारे
पमानादाचारे
अधिकरणाचेति वक्तव्यम्।
अधिकरणाचेति वक्तव्यम्।
कर्तुक्यं सलोपश्च
कर्तुः किं सलोपश्च
सर्वप्रातिपदिकेभ्यः क्विप्वा वक्तव्यः।
सर्वप्रातिपदिकेभ्यः क्विबा वक्तव्यः।
वृषादिभ्यो भुव्यक्ष्वेर्लोपश्च हलः
वृषाद्भ्यो भुव्यच्युर्लोपश्च हलः
लोकितादिडाज्व्यख्यश
लोहितादिडाज्व्यह्क्यश
कष्टाय क्रमणे
कष्टाय क्रमणे
कर्मणोरोमन्थतपोभ्यां वर्तिचरोः
कर्मणोरोमन्थतपोभ्यां वर्तिचरोः
बाष्पोष्मभ्यामुद्वमने
बाष्पोष्मभ्यामुद्वमने
शब्दवैरकलघाब्रकन्वमेघेभ्यः
शब्दवैरकलहाब्रकम्बमिगेभ्यः करणे
सुखादिभ्यः कर्तृवेदरायाम्
सुखाद्भ्यः कर्तृवेदनायाम्
नमो वरिवश्चित्रमुख्य च
मोवरिवश्चित्रज्ञः च
पुच्छभाण्डचीवरानिङ्
छभाण्डचीवराङ्गिन्
मुण्डमिश्रश्लक्ष्णलवनवृतवस्त्रालकलकृततोस्तेभ्यो निच
मुण्डमिश्रश्लक्षणलवणव्रतवस्त्रहलकालकृततोस्तेभ्यो णिच
धातोरेखाचो अलारेख्रिया समभिघारेयङ्
धातोरेकाचो हलादिः क्रियासमाविहारेयम्
नित्यं कौटिल्ये गतौ
यं कौथिल्ये गतौ
लुपसदचरजपजपदघदशगृभ्यो भावगर्गायाम्
उपसदचर जप जबदः दशघ्रेभ्यो भवगर्भायाम्
सत्यापपाशरूपवीणातोलश्लोकसेनालोमत्वचवर्मवर्णचूर्ण चुरादिभ्यो निच
सत्यापपाशरूपवीर्णातुलश्लोकसेनालोमत्वचवर्मवर्णचूर्णचुरादिभ्यो णिच
हेतुमति च
तुमति च
कण्ढ्वादिभ्यो यक्
खण्ड्वादिभ्यो यक
पनिपनिभ्य आयः
उपोधोपवीक्षित्पणिपणिभ्याय आयः
ऋतेरीयङ्
प्रतेरीयम्
कमेर्णिङ्
कमेर्णिम्
आयादय आर्धधातुके वा
आयादाय आर्धधातुकेव
सनाद्यन्ता धातवः
सुनाद्यन्ता धातवः
सितासीलृलुटोः
स्यतासीलृलुटोः
सिद्बगुलं लेटी
बहुलं वेटि
कास्प्रत्ययादाममन्त्रे लिटि
कास् प्रत्ययादाममन्त्रे लिटि
इजादेश्च गुरुमतो नृच्छः
इजादेश्च गुरुमतो नृच्छः
दयायासश्च
दयायासश्च
कुशभिदजागृभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
कुशविदजागृभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
बीह्रीभृहुवां श्लुवच्छ
ईह्रेभ्रेर्वां श्लुवच्छ
कृञ्चानुप्रयुज्यते लिटि
कृञ्चानुप्रयुज्यते लिटि
विदां कुर्वत्वित्यन्यतरस्याम्
विदं कुर्वन् विदां कुर्वन्त्वित्यन्यतरस्याम्
अभ्युत्सादयां चकयां प्रजनयां अभ्युत्सादयां प्रजनयां चकयां रमयामकः पावयां क्रियाद्विदामत्करिण्यति छन्दसि
अभ्युत्सादयां प्रजनयां चिकयां रमयामकः पावयां क्रियादिविदामक्रन्निति छन्दसि
श्लीलुङि
श्लीलुङि
श्लेघेसि च
श्लेहसि च
शलैकुपदादनिटक्सः
शलायुपधा अनियुटः क्षः
श्लिष आलिङ्गने
श्लिष आलिङ्गने
न दृशः
दृशः
निश्रीदृसृभ्यः कर्तरे चङ्
नेश्रेडृदृस्तृभ्यः कर्तरीच्छन्
विभाषाध्येष्योः
विभाषाद्धेट् श्वयोः
गुपेश्छन्दसि
पेश्छन्दसि
नो नयति ध्वनयत्येलयत्यर्धयतिभ्यः
नो नयति ध्वनयत्येलयत्यर्धयतिभ्यः
अस्यति वक्तिक्या दिव्योंग
अस्यति वक्तख्यादिभ्योऽङ्
लिपिसिचीह्वश्च
लिपिसिद्धिह्वश्च
आत्मने पदेष्वन्यतरस्याम्
आत्मनेपदेशनतिरस्याम्
उषादिद्युतादृदितः परस्मै पदेषु
उषादिद्यूताद्वृद्धितः परस्मैपदेषु
सर्तिशास्त्यर्थिभ्यश्च
सर्तिशास्त्यर्थिभ्यश्च
इरितो वा
ऋतो वा
जृस्तम्भुस्मृचु म्लुचु गुचु ग्लुचु ग्लुञ्चुष्विभ्यश्च
ज्रे स्तम्भो भृचु म्लुचु गृचु ग्लुचु ग्लुञ्चु श्वीभ्यश्च
कृमृद्रऋकिभ्यश्छन्दसि
कृ भ्रे ध्रे रुहिभ्यश्छन्दसि
चिन्ते पदः
चिङ्टे पदः
दीपजनबुधपूरि तायिप्यायिभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
दीपजनबुधपूरितायिप्यायिभ्योऽन्यतरस्याम्
अचःकर्मकर्तरि
चः कर्मकर्तरि
दुगश्च
हश्च
न रुदः
रुदः
तपोनुतापे च
ओनुतापे च
छिन्भावकर्मणोः
भावकर्मणोः
सार्वधातुके यक्
सार्वधातुके यक्
कर्तरि शप्
कर्तरि शप
दिवादिभ्यश्यन्
वाभ्यश्यन्
वा भ्राशभ्लाश भ्रमुक्रमुक्लमु त्रसि त्रुटिलशः
वा भ्राश भ्रमु क्रमु क्लमु त्रसि त्रुटिलशः
यशोनुपसर्गात्
यशोनुपसर्गात्
संयसश्च
संयसश्च
स्वादिभ्यश्नुः
स्वादिभ्यश्नुः
श्रुवश्रुच
श्रुवश्रुच
अक्षोऽन्यतरस्याम्
अक्षोन्यतरस्याम्
तनूकरणे तक्षः
तनूकरणे तक्षः
तुदादिभ्यश्यः
तादिभ्यश्चः
तुदादिभ्यश्नम्
बुधादिभ्यश्नम्
तनादिकृण्यः उः
अनादिकृन्भ्यः उः
दिन्विकृण्व्योरच
विमिकृन्भ्योरच
त्रयादिभ्यश्ना
क्रयादिभ्यश्ना
तन्बुस्तुम्बुस्कम्बुस्कुम्बुस्कुम्भुस्कुङ्भ्यश्नुश्च
स्तम्भुस्तम्भुस्कम्भुस्कुम्भोस्कुम्भ्यश्नुश्च
अलश्नश्चानजौ
हलश्नशानज्झौ
छन्दसि शायजपि
छन्दसि शायजपि
व्यत्ययो बगुलम्
व्यत्ययो बहुलं
लिङ्याशिष्यम्
विज्ञाशिष्यं
कर्मवत्कर्मणा तुल्यक्रियः
कर्मवत्कर्मणा तुलादिक्रियः
तपस्तपः कर्मकस्यैव
तपस्तपः कर्मकस्यैव
न दुगस्नु नमाम्यच्छिनौ
न दोहस्नु न मां यक्षिणौ
कृषिरञ्जोः प्राचांश्यन् परस्मै पदं च
कोशीरञ्जोः प्राचां श्यां परस्मैपदं च
धातोः
धातोः
तत्रोपपदं सप्तमीस्थम्
अत्रोपपदं सप्तमीस्थं
कृदतिङ्
क्रीडतिं
वासरूपो स्त्रियाम्
वासरूपो स्त्रियाम्.
Do you remember what was the last sutra we saw?
Yes.
Vabhrasha. That's very good. So next one we have to see. Va, brasha, blasha, brahmu, kramu, klamu, trasi, troti, lashaha. 208, not 209. Yaso nupasargat. Sutra part.
यशोऽनुपसर्गात्
Yes. Yasaha anupasargat. Yasaha panchami, ekavachanam. Yasaha. Yes, dhatu. Prayasa, all the things are, I think, derived from the dhatu. Yes, dhatu. Yes. Prayatne. Prayasaha also comes. Fourth conjugation, yes dhatu, anupasargat. Na upasargat, anupasargat. Nanch samasaha. Anupasargat, yasaha dhatoho, कर्तरि सार्वधातुके शन va bhavati vikalpena va coming as anuvritti from va brasha blashak, that previous sutra. Yes sir, then va goes anuvritti up to 72. So anupasargat, no upasarga, no prefix to the dhatu, yes, then dhatu will take. If prefix is there, it will not take. That is the meaning. But next sutra allows a prefix some. Okay. The sutra says without any upasarga, no upasarga. With no upasarga, yes dhatu can take shan optionally, with the exception of some. That is, this is essence is extending the shan even for some upasarga. This is an example for Atidesha Sutra 72. We will see that. Now we will see 71, and after that we will see 72. So pratyaha parascha, all those adhikara sutra, anuvritti kartari sarvadhatike shan va coming as anuvritti from the previous sutra 3170, va brasha blasha from that sutra. Now the whole sutra, sampurna sutram, kartari sarvadhatike anupasargat yasaha dhatoho, yes is a dhatu, after which shan pratyaya will come, va vikalpena. In the absence of shan, what will come? Shap will come. So you will have two forms. Dhatu, yes, having no upasarga, will take either shan or shap. Okay.
Okay.
Kartari sarvadhatike pratyaya pare. Can see anupasargat yes dhatoho shan vikarana pratyaya vikalpena bhavati. Shan pratyaya will come optionally. In the absence of shan, shap will come. Kartari sarvadhatike shap. That is utsarga. What is yes dhatu? Yasu prayatne. This is fourth conjugation dhatu. Divadigana dhatu. Asma dhatoho divadibhyaha dhatoho shan nityam shan. Shan iti anena divadibhyaha shan is sutra. Divadibhya shan sutram is there, right? Just chanted.
Yes.
By that shan pratyaya is always ordained. By this sutra, it is made an option. Shan pratyaya se abhave, in the absence of shan pratyaya, utsarga sutra is a kartari sarvadhatike shab that will apply. And therefore, you will have two forms. Dhyana shab pratyaya bhavati. Yes, dhatu, if it comes with upasarga, then so this sutra will not be applied. It means shan cannot be made optional. Okay, shan will not be vikalpa. Shan is mandatory. That's what it means. If yes dhatu belong to upasarga is there, then the sutra will not apply. It means shan pratyaya will come mandatory. Nityam. Upasarga purvas yes dhatoho nityam shan bhavati. So like example here. A upasarga, yes dhatu, shan will come. A yasyati, prayasyati. Because upasarga is a pra. The next sutra extends, that we will see. The pratyaya shan is optionally mandated, ordained after the dhatu. Yes. Yes means prayatne, to strive. When it is used without an upasarga. So therefore you will have two forms. Yes dhatu without upasarga. Yes plus shap plus tip. Yasati, yasataha, yasanti. Latlakara rupam. Or yasyati, yasyataha, yasyanti. Another form. This is the example. Right?
Yes.
Now the next sutra says sam yasascha. Sam is upasarga, sam upasarga. Sam yasascha. Sam is sampurvaka yes dhatoho. Sam yasaha is panchami. Again yasaha is panchami. Sampurvaha yasaha sam yasaha. Sam is upasarga. Sampurvaha yasaha sam yasaha. So it is Sampurvaha. So sam is upasarga. I'll just check the compound. Yes. The Sam yasaha is one word. You can take it as sam yes as a pradipadikam. So you can decline like Marut Shabdavat. So sam purvat yes dhatoho, that is how you have to take. Sam yasaha is sam yes is a pradipadikam. So Panchami Ekavachanam is sam yasaha. Sam purvaha yes dhatuhu. So that is why when we say sam purvat, yasehe, that is yes dhatu preceded by the upasarga sam. Then dhatoho paraha shan vikalpena bhavati. Previous sutra said no upasarga. This sutra says with the exception of some upasarga, some is allowed. Kartare sarvadhatike pratyaya pare sam purvat yasehe va shan pratyaya bhavati. So shan is optionally ordained after a dhatu yes, meaning to strive when it is preceded by some upasarga. When a sarvadhatuka, kartari sarvadhatuka pratyaya follows. Therefore, you will have to form sam yasati or sam yasyati. If other upasarga comes, then shan alone will come. There is no shat. But here we have optional. Anya upasarga asti chet. Shan pratyaya nityam eva bhavati. Nityam mandatorily. If other upasarga is present, if other upasarga comes, then yes dhatu will take only shan. There is no vikalpa for shan. It means shab cannot come. Like the example. Yasyati. Prayasyati. Here we don't have choice. Upasarga. Yes plus shan alone. Understand?
Yes.
Yasyati. Prayasyati. So previous sutra is yasona upasargat. Now this sutra is sam yasascha. So some upasarga we have two forms. Other upasarga we have only one form with the shan. The next sutra, Swadibhyaha Shnuhu, Swadibhyaha Panchami. Panchami, Swadibhyaha Bhagavachanam. 5-3, not 5-1. Shnuhu. Shnuhu is 1-1. Kartari Sarvadhatake, 3-168 from that sutra coming as Anuvrutti. Then we have Adhikar Sutra, Pratyaha Parascha Dhatoho. Therefore, the complete sutra will be Kartari Sarvadhatake, Swadibhyaha Dhatoho, Shnuhu Pratyaha Bhavati. Dhatoho Adhikara from 3-190. Sorry, 3-125. 3-191 comes later. Dhatu. Then Pratyaha Parascha, the first sutra, second sutra. And Anuvrutti is Kartari Sarvadhatike Shat. From there comes as Anuvrutti. For the Shakta Gana, Shnu you see Gana Vikrana Pratyaya. What is Gana Vikrana Pratyaya? Yat Prakriti Pratyayoho Madhye Patati, Patitam Bhavati. That which falls in between the Prakriti and the Pratyaya. That is called Vikrana Pratyaya. Therefore, Shnu. Fifth conjugation. First dhatu is Su. Su Adihi. Yasya Ganasya Saha Ganaha Swadi Ganaha. First dhatu is Su. Sunoti, Sunutaha, Sunvanti. The form will be like that. So Kartari Sarvadhatuke Pratyaye Pare Swadi Ganasya Dhatoho Parahashnuhu Vidiyate Shnu Pratyaya is ordained after the dhatus of the fifth conjugation. Dhatu is Shunj, Abhishave. Dhatva dekhe, Shaha Saha, by that Sakara. Nakara is interletter. This dhatu is Ubhayapadi. Abhishave, in the sense of Abhishave. Abhishave is what vibhakti? Abhishave, what vibhakti?
Saptami.
Yeah, then what is Pradipadika?
Abhishava.
Abhishava, then it is like Rama Shabdavat,
Yes.
right? Like Rame.
Yes.
So it means to do Abhisheka. All this comes from this dhatu only. To bath, to extract. It's meaning Abhishave. Okay. Abhisheka is different. That's Abhisheka that is Sich dhatu. Abhi Purvaka Sich dhatu become Sheka. That's very interesting. Okay, that I'll just type and delete it.
And
Abhisheka, Abhino.
this
Huh?
Sinches is Sinchati and to pour.
Yes, that's what it is. Yes. Abhi Purvaka Sich Abhisheka. Here, Abhi Purvaka Sich dhatu, I think Ka Pratyaya is added. Or what we have to check that. By that, this Nakara, the Upada Nakara will go away. You will have only Sich. Content of this Pratyaya is content of this Pratyaya or Abhishek. No, not Ka Pratyaya, some other Pratyaya. What Pratyaya? I have to check that. Samkrit Pratyaya, C will become Se and preceded by E. Therefore, this will become She and Chakara. Abhishekha. Choho Kuhu will happen. Therefore, it must be preceded by some Pratyaya. Jaladi. Check. I have to check what Pratyaya is. Let me check that later. Or Abhishek Gai maybe. Why not? Gai Pratyaya. Some other Gai Pratyaya. In the sense of Bhave. Tato is Sich. Yeah. Abhishek. Dhatu is Sich Dhatu only. Become She. I have to check anyway what Pratyaya is. Then become She. Then this not Gai Pratyaya, because Gai is that Shogakuga will apply. Let me check that. Abhisheka. That is from Sinch Dhatu. Not from this. What Pratyaya I have to check. I can check also now also. Give me a minute. I'll check. But it is not the Pratyaya which is familiar. Must be something different. Oh yeah, that is the one. Sich the Gai Pratyaya only. What I wrote was correct. So Abhi is to become Se, then Abhishekha you get. Yes, that's one. Abhi plus Sich plus Ghai Pratyaya. Bhave Ghai. C will become Se, then Shatlam happens Abhishe, Abhishech, then Chakara replaced by Kakara by Chajogo Kugin Yatoho. One sutra is 7.3 section. We have not yet seen. So what I wrote was correct on the way. Abhi plus Sich plus Gai Pratyaya. Gai Pratyaya is added. Dhatu is Sich Dhatu. So this becomes Se. Then Pratyaya Sakara, this is Shatlam happens. Then one other sutra is by that. Nita Dhatu, when follows, this will be replaced by corresponding Kavarga. Content of the Pratyaya is A. Kakara plus A is Ka. Abhi, Sheka means Abhisheka, bathing. We use know when we do puja, Abhishekam.
Yes.
Sinch means sprinkle. Abhisheka is bathing. But here Abhishave is different. Abhi Purvakash, this Dhatu itself, I think, Shu Dhatu. Then something happens, Abhishave. Anyway, Abhishave, the meaning is to bathe, to extract in that meaning. Shuj Dhatu. Ubepadi, content is Su only. Su Dhatu that takes Shnu Pratyaya. Okay. So this is Apavada to Shap. Shap is Utsarga. Fifth conjugation, Shnu is Apavada. The Pratyaya Shnu comes after the Dhatu of Swadigana when a Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya denoting an Karta, that is agent, follows. The Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya which follows a Dhatu The Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya is let lakara, let lung, lot, and link, all Sarvadhatuka lakaras, which will be replaced by tip tasti, sit tasta. When denoting the karta, kartari prayoga, when it follows, then dhatoho, shnu pratyaha will come. Shap is negated. Shap is upsarga. Kartari Sarvadhatuke shap, 3168. The dhatu is swadhigana, then this will apply. 3173 will apply. Abhishave, that is the meaning of the dhatu. Swadhiganasya pratama dhatu, first dhatu of the swadhi. First dhatu of the swadhigana. Okay. Abhishave is interesting. Abhit is derived this from the same dhatu only. Abhi plus su plus one krit pratyaya, up pratyaya. So when you add up pratyaya, the su will become so. Angakarya will happen. So will become sau. Up is there. Pakara is the letter a. Pakara plus a sa. And this is Datva dekhe shaha saha. Shattam will happen. Abhishava. You get like that. The same dhatu, in fact, is used to derive Abhishava. Pratyaya is up pratyaya. Those things we have not seen. Krit pratyaya. Don't worry about that. Kattari sarvadhatuke. Sorry, akatari chakarake sinyayam bhave cha. We have the pratyas like ghai pratyaya, then up pratyaya. So pratyas are there. So up pratyaya. Anyway, Abhishave. That's how we get Abhisha. Abhishave. Abhishava is the Pradipadikam. Saptami of that is Abhishave. That is the meaning of the dhatu. See, this always meanings always will be in Saptami. It's called Vishaya Saptami. Go Saptaya. Remember, I think you only told Vishaya Saptami. Once you told Bhu Sattaya, not Saptami. Saptami, there are many types of Saptami. The Vyakaran we have Parasaptami. The language we have Adhikarana Saptami. Nimitta Saptami. Sati Saptami. Right?
Yes.
The Nirdharana Saptami. So many Saptamis are there. But here in the Dhatu Pata, Dhatu and the corresponding meaning of the Dhatu, which is given, that will be that is in Saptami, that is Vishaya Saptami. In the sense of Abhishava, Dhatu Shunj is used. Abhishava, Abhipurvaka Su plus Apratyaya. Bhave, in the sense of your Dhatu Artha, that is the Abhishava. In the meaning of this Abhishava action, Abhishava Kriya, Dhatu, Shunj Dhatu is used. Now, Latlakara Rupam, example, so plus let, corresponding to Prathama Purusha Ekavachana is tip. Tip is what pratyaya? Sarvadhatuka pratyaya. And it is Kartari, denotes Karta. Karta of the Kriya, the action. Therefore, Kartari Sarvadhatuke pratyaya pare dhatoho paraha shnuhu swadibhyaha shnu will come. So, shnu, so is the Anga for shnu. So plus shnu is the Anga for tip. Can shnu do Angakarya to su? Yes or no?
No.
No. Why? Because
Apit.
Apit. Therefore cannot do. Therefore just join Sunu. Sunu plus tip. Now tip can tip do Angakarya?
Yes, because it is Sarvadhatka Pit.
And the Anga ending with the
In the
letter?
Iklad in the end. Igant.
Therefore Sunu. What about Su? Will this Su will become So? No. That is not
No.
penultimate. The last letter is Iganta.
Yes.
Penultimate is Nakara.
Yes. It's
You
not.
cannot keep on doing Angakarya
It's
to the
not.
letter before.
Yeah, not Upada.
So the last letter is ik letter, penultimate should be a short ik. But the last letter is ik,
Yes.
penultimate cannot be a vowel. So the last letter is ik,
Yes.
U will become O. Suno. Sunoti. That's what the form is. Sunoti. Right?
Yes.
What about if it is thus? What will be the form?
Snutaha.
Yes. So Suno plus thus. Thus cannot cause any Angakarya. Sunutaha.
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
Very good. Okay. Similarly, Sunoshi, Sunutaha, Sunuta, Sunomi, Sunuvaha, Sunumaha, those things you will see. Then Shuvaha Sh Cha. Shuvaha. Shuvaha, we have to take the Pratipadikam to be Shruv because I'm not able to find out what it is. We have to take it as Shruv only. Shashti Bhakti Ekavachanam Shruv. Shruvaha like Marut Shabda.
Yes.
It refers to the Dhatu Shru. Please note. It refers to the Dhatu Shru Dhatu. Okay.
Yeah.
Otherwise, we have to say, see, Shruva is the Pratipadikam must be Shru. How we get Shru Pratipadikam? The Dhatu is Shru Dhatu. So Vakara, you can say Vakara is added for the sake of Ucharanatham. Something like that we have to say. So Vakara has no other meaning other than Ucharanatham only. Dhatu is Shru Dhatu. Originally Dhatu is Shru. Vakara is there for the sake of Ucharanatham. So once you have Vakara, then when you decline like Marut Shabda, Shivaha is Shashti Bhakti Ekavachanam. Stani. Please note. That's how it is. Why it is like that, we cannot ask. This is how Panini Maharshi has given. Panini Maharshi has not given like Shru is Guroho, Shoho, Shucha. He didn't say like that. Okay. He could have
Yes.
said, but he doesn't want to say like that. Instead, he says Shucha. Shoho means that is, we can say Pratipadikam is Shru. Therefore, it is like Guru Shabda, Shashti Bhakti Ekavachanam will be Shroho. But it doesn't say like that. It just says Shru. So Vakara is only for Ucharanatham. That's why we have to take it. And Shashti Bhakti of this is Shuvaha, referring to Dhatu Shru. And Shru Dhatu will be replaced by Shru. Here also Shru, there is no Vibhakti Pratyaya. That is Shru is the Adesha. Pratama Vibhakti Ekavachanam. Shru must have Visarga. But Visarga is not there. Lutta Vibhaktikam. All those things are possible in the Sutra. Because Sutras are like Chandas, like the Veda. Doesn't have to follow the rules.
Yes.
So Shru is replaced by Shru. That is the meaning. Shruvaha Shrucha is Aupadeshika Dhatu is Shru. It is replaced by Shru. When the Shru is followed by Sarvadhatike Kartari. And also Chakara, why Cha is Shru Dhatu, Shru will be replaced by Shru. And Chakarat, it will take Shnu. Now, you may ask, why, what is anyway, this Dhatu, it will take Shnu only, because comes after Swadibhyaha Shnuhu. So what is the big deal here? Shru Dhatu will take Shnu. This is 73, Swadibhyaha Shnuhu. 74 is this Dhatu. So Shnuhu coming as Anuvarti. So what is the big deal? Now, if this Dhatu belongs to fifth conjugation, then you may say like that. If the Dhatu belongs to fifth conjugation, then you don't need this Chakara, because anyway it will take Shnu only. Only this change alone you have to mention. That is Shru is replaced by Shru. Cha is not required, only this alone you have to mention. But this Dhatu belongs to first conjugation, not fifth conjugation. That is why Cha also have to be mentioned. Dhatu Shru of the first conjugation replaced by Shru, and also it will take the Ganavikarana Pratyaya Shnu. Though the Dhatu is first conjugation, it will take Shnu. This is important. Don't go by the form of the Dhatu. Dhatu will be Shrunoti, like the previous one, Sunoti. Because the form is Shrunoti, it is not fifth conjugation. Like Sunoti, fifth conjugation. See, I tell you only a small thing, because by that you can make out easily Dhatu is fifth conjugation or not. After T, that before T, you just find out here. If you have O, then it will be fifth conjugation. See, Ganavikarna is no, right?
Yes.
Content is no. No followed by when Sarvadhatuka, then no will become what? No, right?
Yes.
Like shak, shaknoti, fifth conjugation. Shaknoti, chinoti, fifth conjugation, right? Sunoti is there, fifth conjugation. So all are no, no is there. Here also shak, no. So I always say no, five. No, five means if no is the fifth conjugation. Okay. If
Yes.
na is there, then it must be nine. This is my sutra. Okay. No, five, na, nine.
Yes.
Why I say na, nine is, you see, ninth conjugation. We have like this. Grannati, here na is there. Grannati, janati, right? Krinati.
Yes.
So many dhatus are there. What else? Vikrinati, vipurvaka, right?
Yes.
All you can see na will be there. So no 5, na 9. That's my sutra. A simple way to remember. We have to take the Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam. And then you can, if you know if you given the dhatu, find out the Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam. If Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam, if before tip, if you have no, then it is fifth conjugation. If you have na, then it is ninth conjugation. No 5, na 9. So here, Shaknoti, Pratama Purusha Ekavachanam, no is fifth conjugation. Chinoti, no is fifth conjugation. Sunoti, no is fifth conjugation. Grinnati, na is ninth conjugation. Janati, na is so this either murdani na or this na. No five na nine. Can say like that.
Yes.
Now coming to the dhatu, shri dhatu, you have shrinoti. Which conjugation now going by this? Shaknoti, janoti, sunoti. We may think, oh, no five. Therefore, fifth conjugation, but it is not. This dhatu, shru dhatu, belongs to first conjugation, and that shru will be replaced, shru will be replaced by shru. Both are different. Please note.
Yes.
Dhatu is shru dhatu. Originally, it is shru dhatu. Shakara, repa, u. Shakara plus repa plus u. And that will be replaced by shru. Shru is shakara plus r. There is no conjunct before r. But here we have conjunct. Before u, we have conjunct. So shru will be replaced by shru. That is shru dhatu, first conjugation will be replaced by shru. And also chakara, Ganavikarna shnu will come. Therefore, this will look like fifth conjugation, but it is not fifth conjugation. Understand?
Yes.
That's why you have to note that. Therefore, chakara is important. Why chakara is? Chakara is to bring shen for the dhatu shru. Okay. Chakara not doesn't mean shap also can come. No, there is no option here. Two things happen. Shru, the dhatu itself is replaced by shru, and shap is replaced by shen. Pavada. Okay. Aduvritti adhigara the same. So kartari sarvadhatuke shruvaha dhatoh mishru dhatoh paraha shnu pratyaha bhavati and shrucha. Shrucha means shru will be the replacement of shru. Shruvaha shru iti adesha syat nu pratyascha shap vishaye. Siddhanta Kamadikara. With regard to shab, it will be shnu and also shru will be replaced by shru. Okay. Because the dhatu is shnu, shakara is it letter, and apitvad nitvad bhavati, therefore guna will not happen. That's why you have shrunoti. Shru. The shru will not become guna. Dhatu, shru will be replaced by shru plus Shrunoti plus Shnu plus Tip. Because it is Sarvadhataka Pit, no Angakarya possible. Therefore, Shrinu. And followed by Tip. Tip can cause Angakarya. No will become no. Therefore, Shrinoti. Please note, not Shrunoti.
Yes.
Shrinoti, Shrinutaha, Shrinvanti. Okay.
Yes.
This is in the case of Sarvadhatuka. Whereas if it is some Ardhatuka Pratyaya, Shru plus Ta Pratyaya, here what will happen? Nishta Pratyaya. It is a Shru
Shruta.
only, not Shruta. Shruta only. Understand?
Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
because this is not Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya, it is Sadhudhatuka. Hita. Only when Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya Kartari follows, then only Shru will be replaced by Shru. Here.
Hmm.
And here it is Adhatuka Pratyaya. Therefore, Shru will not be replaced by Shru. Do you follow?
Yes.
Hmm. Kartari Sarvadhatuke Pratyaya Pare. When the Kartari Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows, Swadiganasya Dhatoho Paraha, Shnuhu Pratyaha Bhavati Vidiyate. Right?
Yes.
Whereas here it is Shru plus Tai Shruta only. Shruta Shrutihi Shrutismati Purananam Alayam Karunalayam. Say. Shru, what is the meaning of Shru? Shru is Shravane in the sense of hearing. Vadiganasya Dhatuhu, first conjugation Dhatu. After the Dhatu, Kartari Shapiti Sutrena, Outsarikika Sutrena, Shap Pratyaye Prapte. When Shap Pratyaya is obtained, but by this Sutra, Apavada Rupena, Shnu Pratyaha Vidiyate, Shnu is ordained. And also, Shru will be replaced by Shru. Two things happen. Please note the difference between Shru and Shru. Pronunciation different, and writing also you can see. Shru, in Shru, with preceding Ukara, there is a conjunct. Shakara plus Repa. Follow.
Yes.
Okay. So Shru is a substitute of Shu. This is one thing. And also Pratyaya Shnu is ordained after it. When a Sarvadhatuka Pratyaya follows. Now let us do one first conjugation. The first Pratham Purusha Ekavachanam form. Let us do Shu plus Latlakara. In the place of let corresponding Pratyaya tip comes. The Shru is followed by Kartari Saradhatuke Pratyaya Pare. Then Dhatoho Ganavikarana Pratyaya Bhavati. Shap is general rule. Now, by this rule, dismiss a shap. In the place of that, shnu will come, and also shru is replaced by shru. Two things happen. Pratyaya also replaced, dhatu form also replaced. Now, shru plus shnu plus tip. Shru is the anga for shnu, and shru plus shnu is the anga for tip. Shru plus shnu. Shnu cannot cause any anga karya. Therefore, shru plus shnu, shrino. Shrino plus tip. Tip can do anga karya. Therefore, no will become no. Therefore, shri, no. And also after that, here, rikara is there. Therefore, what will happen? Danti nakara will be replaced by murdhani nakara.
Murdhani.
What is the sutram? Sutram is Rashabhyam no naha samana pade. 8-4,
The, the first one. The first one. 841.
8-4-1. So, shrunoti, shrunutaha, shrunvanti. Next sutra says akshaha anyatarasya. Here we have choice. Anyatarasya, optionally. There is a dhatu, akshadhatu. That will take optionally shan pratyaya. Shnu pratyaya. That is okay. Kartari sarvadhatike pratyaya pare swadibhyaha dhatu is swadigana dhatu. Shnu pratyaya it will take optionally. Akshadhatu belongs to fifth conjugation. It will take shnu pratyaya optionally. It means in the absence of shnu, what it will take?
Shap.
Shap. Therefore, you will have two forms, right? With shap and with shnu. So akshu udit dhatu. Udit is very important. The condition, not in the case of nishta, it's very important. Not here. The dhatu is Okay. All, what is that? Alt, okay, I forgot how this, how the symbol will come. 1 minute. Shift, this is, yeah, shift, escape, shoo, vyaptau, pervading. Akshu vyaptau bhuvadika. This is bhuvadika means bhuvadikana dhatu. Akshu is first conjugation. Please note. Oh, I have to change it here. Some mistake. Swadibhyaha. Akshadhatu is first conjugation. 1 minute. Let me check it. First conjugation dhatu. It will take optionally shan, unlike shru dhatu, which it takes only shan, which it take only shnu, whereas this dhatu takes option, the first conjugation. Let me check. Yes. So here there is a mistake. Kartari sarvadhatike aksh dhatoho paraha shnu pratyaya bhavati anyatarasya. It should be like this. Not swadibhyaha. Aksh dhatu belongs to first conjugation. Bhuvadikaha means it's a tadita form. Tadita bhuvadi becomes bhuvadika. Tadita as well as bhaguvrigi compound. Akshu dhatu vyapto means the sense of pervasion belongs to first conjugation, like shru dhatu, first conjugation, but shru dhatu will take shnu mandatorily, but aksh dhatu will take shnu optionally. Asmat anyatarasya shnu pratyaya bhavati. Therefore, two forms will be there. Shan pratyaya is ordained optionally. In the absence of shan, shap will come. Shap is utsarga. Shan is optional. So you will have two forms. Akshati, akshnoti. Aksh plus shap plus step. Here kakara plus shakara. No angakarya possible because of shap. Neither the last letter is ik, nor the penultimate is short ik. Understand?
Yes.
So no angakarya possible. Therefore just join akshati. And if it takes shnu, then what happens? Optionally shnu. Here also shnu cannot cause any angakarya because this is apit, no angakarya possible, and also here no ik letter on penultimate. So either way it is not possible. Content is shnu, and here kakara, then shakara is there. Therefore we can apply rashabhyam known as a samanapade. By that this will become nu. So you'll have akshnu followed by tip pratyaya. Tip pratyaya can cause angakarya. Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
Because this is
Yes.
iganta. Therefore,
Yes.
no will become no. Akshnoti. Pratama Purushaya Kavachanam Akshnoti. This is what I said. No 5. When Akshnoti is there, no 5. But this dhatu, we cannot say like that because this is first conjugation.
Yes.
What I said, no 5, no 9 is general. But we have to remember the exceptions. Like this, such exceptions are also there. Understand?
Yes.
Okay. I think we'll stop here. Rama was not well. He's having a headache. He just messaged me. So, understand, right? Just go through.
Yes.
I think I sent you the notes, no?
Yes. Yes.
Okay, we'll stop here. Om Purnamadah Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadhaya Purnameva Vashishyate ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। धन्यवादः।
Yeah.